वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात् कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
अल्पाक्षरम्
असन्दिग्धम्
असन्दिग्धम्
सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
स्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
स्तोभम्
स्तोभम्
अनवद्यं च
अनवद्यं च
सूत्रम् सूत्रविदो विदुः
सूत्रम् सूत्रविदो
सूत्रविदो
विदुः
विदुः
अयवन्
ऐवुन्
ऋलृक्
ऋलक्
एओङ्
एओङ्
ऐ औच्
औच्
हयवरट्
हयवरट्
अण्
लण्
लन्
यमङणनम्
यमज्ञानम्
यमनम्
जभै
अभै
भै
ददश्
घटदश
घटदश
जबगडदश्
जबगडदश
खफ छठथ छटतौ
कफ छठथ
चटतौ
छटतौ
कपै
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 शशसर्
शशसर्
अल्
हल्
हल्
इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि
इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि
कुकविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
सज्जनीयानां कण्ठः
इचेषाणां तालु
यशानां तालु
पुरुषाणां मूर्धा
पुरुषाणां मूर्धा
तुलसानां दन्ताः
तुलसानां दन्ताः
उपोपद्मानीयानामोष्टौ
उपपद्मानीयानाम् ओष्टौ
अमाङ्गनानां नासिका च
यामानानां नासिका च
एदैतोः कण्ठतालु
एदैतोः कण्ठतालु
दोतोः कण्ठ ओष्टम्
ओदौतोः कण्ठ ओष्टम्
आरस्य दन्त ओष्टम्
अकारस्य दन्त ओष्टम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
मूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
रामो राजमनिः सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे
रामो
राजमनिः
सदा विजयते
रामं
रमेशं
रमेशं
भजे।
भजे
प्रेम्णा निशाचरचमूः रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामेण विहता निशाचरचमूः रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामान्नास्ति
परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राम मामुद्धर
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राम मामुद्धर
Here in this shloka, Ramo Rajamanihi. The sandhi is
सर्ग संधि रामः
Ramaha plus
Rajamani.
Ramaha Visarga preceded by A and followed by
Ash.
Harsh. Then Rajamanihi Sada
Visarga followed by Hash. You can have an optional.
not Harsh. Sakara is not a Harsh.
What is khar?
It is Shar. It is Kar.
Shar, yeah.
It is Shar. Visarga followed by Shar letter. Then the Visarga becoming
Sakara or you
Sakara.
can retain.
Visarga becoming Sakara is optional when followed by Shar. Sada Vijayate. Then Ramam Ramesham. What sandhi is that?
Anuswara, Ramam and Ramesham.
This is Anuswara sandhi. Yeah. I have to clarify one thing. I've given the name Namakaranam, I think, wrongly. I'll clarify it later. This is Anuswara sandhi. Ramam plus Ramesham. Ramam, but Makara. What Makara?
Padanta.
Very good. Padanta Makara. Padanta Makara is replaced by the Adesha Anuswara. Therefore, Anuswara sandhi. Ramam, Ramesham. Then Ramesham and Bhaje. Same thing. Same thing. Ramesham Makara, Padanta Makara, therefore Ramesham Bhaje. Ramesham is Ramayaha Isham. Sitayaha Isham. Ramesham. Then Ramena Vihata, we know simple sandhi.
Savarna Dirghasana.
Nishachara Chamuhu Ramaya. Okay.
Savarna
Not Savarna Dirgha. Nishachara Chamuhu Ramaya is the
No sandhi.
Nishachara Chamu, okay. Chamuhu, Chambau, Chambaha. So Chamuhu, it remains as Chamuhu.
Yeah.
Okay. Chamuhu remains as it is. The Sarga is that preceded by U, Chamuhu. What is a Pratipadikam? Chamu. Chamu or Chamu? Ukaranta Shabda. Ukarantaha, Strilingaha, Chamu Shabdaha, Chamuhu, Chambau, Chambaha, like Vadu Shabda. So Chamuhu is Prathamaya Bhakti. So Chamuhu. Then Ramaya is there. So Visarga remains as it is. Right? Okay. One more thing is there. We'll see that later. Nishachara Chamuhu. One more thing has to be said here. We will see that. One more sandhi is there. We'll look into that later. Then the next one. Rama Nasti. What sandhi is it?
Melanam.
It's not Melanam. Sandhi has happened. If you split, what are
Rama
the
na asti.
Na
Rama
asti.
na asti.
Asti, na asti.
Raman na asti.
Na
What is
asti.
Raman?
Ramat.
Ramat.
It's
It is Ramat. Panchami Bhakti. Ramat plus na plus asti. Na plus asti, nasti, savana dirgha. Ramat plus nasti.
Anunasika.
Anunasika.
Nasika.
Very good. That yar letter followed by Anunasika. The yar letter is replaced by its corresponding Anunasika. I think I wrongly named this as Anuswara Sandhi or something. Okay, I'll show you that. Anunasika Sandhi. It's good. Raman, Nasti. Then Parayanam, Parataram.
Anuswara.
Anuswara one.
Padantamakara is replaced by Anuswara.
Anuswara.
Same thing, Parataram,
Parataram.
Ramasya. Dasosmyaham.
Dasaha.
Asmi aham.
Asmi aham. Yeah.
Dasaha plus Asmi plus
Me
Aham.
plus aham.
Asmi plus Aham.
Yen
Yen
Sandhi.
Sandhi.
Asmi plus Aham. It is Yen Sandhi. Dasaha plus Asmyaham.
That is Visarga
Visarga
restricted by A
Akarakam.
followed by Akara means Ukara comes.
Vaso become
So
Daso.
it will
Daso
become
becomes Ukara and Guna Sandhi.
Fine. So then Rame Chittalayaha. Chittalayaha plus Sada.
again
Visarga followed by Shar.
Later.
Optional.
So Visarga followed by
Shar.
Sakara. So replacement of Sakara. Replacement of Visarga by Sakara is
Optional.
Vashari. That is Vashari. Okay. Sada Bhavatame. Bhorama Mamuddhara. Mamuddhara.
Mam Uddara.
Melanam. Mam plus Uddara.
Ma plus
Mam
plus
Uddara.
Uddara. Uddhara alone.
that is Purva
Uddhara.
Uttara.
Jashtva Sandhi.
Jashtva Sandhi. Ut plus
Utpul plus Hara.
Ut plus Hara. After that.
Ara.
Ud plus
Hara.
Hara. Jashtva. After that.
Oh, Jayo.
It will
Very good.
Purva.
Yes.
Jayo Jaya.
Jaya. That
Jaya.
Hakara
Punyatarasyam.
preceded by J letter. Then the Hakara will be replaced by the fourth letter of that
Fourth
class.
letter.
That is Dhakara. Uddhara, the last rule, 26th or 27th rule in the table, right?
Purva Savarana.
So,
Oh, okay.
Purva Savarna Sandhi. Ut plus Ara.
Ara.
Ud plus Ara. Jashtva happens. Always Jashtva happens. After Jashtva, then there is Purva Savarna Sandhi happens. Many Sandhis are almost all Sandhis are covered here in this shloka itself. Okay. We will chant other things later. We'll do some practice. Before that, let us chant this Subhashitam. You can remind me if I miss Subhashitam. After I didn't do, I think. Vina karyena ye mudaha. Gachanti paramandiram.
Gachanti paramandiram.
Avashyam laghutam yanti.
Avashyam laghutam yanti.
Krishna pakshe yatha shashi.
Krishna pakshe yatha shashi.
Vina karyena ye mudaha gachanti paramandiram. Kriyapadam is
Gachanti.
Gachanti.
Gachanti, first gana. Gam dhatu. Pratama Purusha, Bhagavachanam. Gachanti. Ke gachanti?
Mudaha.
Mudaha.
Mudaha gachanti. First you have to find the Kriyapan and then the subject. It is Kartari Prayoga, therefore subject you have to find. It's an active voice sentence. Passive voice means different. You will see that. Then you have to look for karma. Here, Kartari Prayoga, active voice. Therefore, the subject, Mudaha, that is also Pratama Purusha, Bhagavachanam. 1, 3. Pratama Vibhakti, Bhagavachanam. 1, 3. Mudaha gachanti. Ye also. Ye mudaha means those mudaha, those fools. Yaha yo ye pullinga. Pratama Vibhakti, Bhagavachanam. Ye mudaha gachanti. Okay. Kutra gachanti?
Mandiram
Paramandiram.
That is the
gachanti.
place of destination. Karma. Paramandiram gachanti. Vina karyena. Without any work. Karyena. Vina. Vina karyena is separate word. Okay. Looks written together. Vina karyena. Tritiya vibhakti. Vina is there. Therefore karyena. What vibhakti is that?
Upapada Tritiya.
Upapada
Upapada vibhakti.
vibhakti.
Vina is there, therefore. Karyam vina also you can say. Nothing wrong. Vina karyam. Or karyena vina. Vina can govern dvitiya or tritiya vibhakti. So, ye mudaha paramandiram gachanti. Ye mudaha karyam vina paramandiram gachanti. Kim bhavati yesham. Then that is given in the next line. Yanti. The kriyapadam is yanti. Yadatu. Yati, yataha, yanti. Yati means go, attain, they get. Yanti. What yanti? Again, mudaha yanti only. The subject is yanti. So, subject is mudaha. Kriya padam is yanti. Mudaha yanti. Mudaha get, they get. What do they get? What do they get? Lagutam.
Tam.
Lagutam means lightness. That means they will be belittled. They will lose their respect. Lagutam means taking people for, this granted. Oh, every day he comes. So he will not be given much respect. Lagutam, lightness. Not that much respect. Lagutam. That is karma. Laguta. Pratipadikam. Laguta, lagute, lagutaha. Lagutam. Dvitya vibhakti. Ekavachanam. Mudaha lagutam yanti. They will be treated lightly. Once in a while, if you go to Paramandiram, Paramandiram is somebody's house, not the temple. Okay. Here, Paramandiram is not the temple. Paramandiram is others' residence, others' house. If you keep on going without any work, what will happen to you? You will lose your respect. Avashyam lagutam yanti. Definitely, they will be treated lightly. Then you can give an drishtanta. Katam yata Shashi Krishna Pakshe. Shashi is
Moon.
Moon.
Hinduhu. Chandraha. Krishna Pakshe.
Is the Paurnama to Amavasya?
Yes. Purnama to Amavasya. What happens to the moon? It slowly start waxing, right? Krishna Pakshe yata Shashi. Slowly it reduces in size, its greatness. Tata eva mudaha api lagutam yanti. Vina karyena ye mudaha gachanti paramandiram te lagutam yanti. Avashyam lagutam yanti. Yata Krishna Pakshe Shashi lagutam yanti tataiva. Okay.
Currently, there is a disturbance, sir.
Yeah, there is somebody not on my side. The students have to make sure that there is no noise around them.
What is the meaning of this full sentence exam?
Okay. I'll tell you. Those people who go to the others' houses without any reason, or not without reason, they go often without any reason. They visit frequently, then they lose their respect. That's what it means. Don't visit others' places without any reason and also not often. Then you will be treated lightly. That's the meaning. Vina karyena, without any work, simply going for chatting, then you will lose your respect. That's what it means. Okay, let us get back to the. Please make sure when you unmute your mic, there should not be any surrounding noise because it's louder, it disturbs. Okay, then you have this chart. You would have taken the printout. If you have not taken printout, keep it with you. This chart will be referring. I'll refer by the number 1, 2, 3 and all. I sent this chart already. You have the chart with you?
Yes,
Yeah,
Sharanji.
we had.
Yes, Sharanji.
Okay. So let me quickly go through the names. I've given the Namakranam to Sandhi. Last class, the Namakranam for the Sandhi is not correct. That Anuswara is it. It should be Anunasika. Let me clarify that. Let me read from the beginning. The first one is Savarna Dirgha Sandhi. We know. Now I have added in the names of Sandhis. That is for our reference. See, one thing is you can remember the number, but I don't expect you to remember the number at this stage, not required. But name you can remember. And the sequence of application of the rules by names you can remember. That's what I would suggest. Even though I have given Sutra and all, it's for my reference I have given, but names you remember. That is enough. So Savarna Dirgha Sandhi and its meaning is given. Anyway, this Yan Sandhi, there is no any order because it is not in the Tripadi. It is not in the last 3 sections of the Ashtadhyayi. It is before. Therefore, there is no rule. Whenever this rule is applicable, apply it. That's all. So first one, Savarna Dirgha Sandhi. Second one, Yan Sandhi. Third one, Guna Sandhi. Fourth one, Vriddhi Sandhi. Fifth one, Ayadi Sandhi. The last one is Purvarupa Sandhi. These are the 6 important Ach Sandhi rules. There are some more rules I have not added here. We will add it later. So this 6 Sandhi rules are very important. Then coming to the Visarga Sandhi. Padanta Sakara replaced by Repa. Here I have not given any names in Visarga Sandhi. Padanta Sakara will be replaced by Repa. Now Repa is born. When Repa Visarga is born, Visarga Jananam happens. And the Visarga which is born undergo further changes depending on what follows. What follows or what precedes also. Preceding by a or a. That's important. Followed by a or hash. Then only Visarga changes. This is with regard to the Visarga replaced by Ukara or Yakara. When it is followed by Khar, then the separate changes are there. That is Visarga replaced by either Jikva Muliya or Upadmaniya, or Visarga replaced by Sakara, or Visarga remaining as it is when followed by Shar. All those rules are covered here in this table. Now let me ask one question. Padanta Sakara will be replaced by Repa is there, right? Note number 7. Can you see that? Hello?
Yes, Sharanji.
It is 8266. The number is there. Now, what does a Jashtva Sandhi say? Jashtva Sandhi.
Padanta
Jal
replaced by Jash.
Replaced by Jash, right?
Jash.
What is its number?
8239.
8.8239.
8239. So it is in Tripadi. 8239, 8266. That is Jashtva Sandhi, it's in Tripadi. And this rule number 7, what you see in the screen, that also in Tripadi. Jashtva Sandhi comes first and then this comes later, right?
Yeah.
Padanta Sakara will be replaced by Repa. This rule says. Sakara, right? Why don't you apply Jashtva first and then apply this rule? That should be the order, right?
Yeah, it should be order.
Yes or no?
Yes, Sharanji.
Yes,
Should be.
Sharanji.
Yes.
If you apply Jashtva Sandhi, then what will be the replacement for Padanta Sakara?
Can be.
Padanta sakara should be replaced by just letter. Ja, ba, ga, da, dash. Only 5 letters are there. Replacement of Padanta sakara, that is jal letter. Sakara is a jal letter. Any doubt in that?
No, Sharanji.
No.
Sakara jal. Jal must be replaced by jash.
So Sakara will replace by Dakara.
You should have
We should
applied, right?
consider only the
Yeah.
class consonants.
Class, yeah.
We should consider only the class consonants then.
No, there is no such rule.
No, in Jeshwar Sandhi there is
Because
no.
No, there is no such rule. Class, no. Then Padanta sakara should be replaced by takara, right?
Takara.
Stool is
Because
not-
sakara is dantya.
Yeah,
And
smooth-
replace it by class consonant. See, the rule is that Padanta jal should be replaced by jal. Now, Padanta jal should be replaced by jash. Jash, jaba, gada, dash are there. Sakara is dantya. So you should replace by the dantya letter.
Yeah,
Dakara.
Yutul is
Dantya,
not
jash letter.
Dakara.
Dakara.
Sakara must be replaced by dakara, right?
Yeah.
If you apply, then when will repa born? When will repa will come?
Repa will not be coming. Yeah.
Repa will not be there at all. Therefore, rule number 7, that is 8 to 66, it's an exception to 8 to 39. Important. Okay. I think I told you this before. Padanta, that is Jashtra Vidhi. For Jashtra Vidhi, this rule number 7 is an exception. You have to understand it as an exception. Otherwise, Repa will not be there and Visarga will not be there. No Visarga Sandhi at all. Everywhere this, what will happen to this shar letter will be replaced by its corresponding just letter, and you will not see Repa taking birth and further undergoing changes. It will not be there at all. So you can note this. Rule number 7, that is Padanta Sakara replaced by Repa. It's an exception to Jastra. If you want, you can write here. Here itself you can write. That's why the number I said, 8 to 39 and 8 to 66. 8 to 39 precedes. The first rule comes. If the rule comes first in the order. So that must be applied first. If you apply, then 8 to 66, this rule will not be applied at all. It will just simply be there. For what purpose it is there? Then this rule is redundant. Need not be written at all, right? What is the use of this rule then? If Jashtra Sandhi is going to be applied every time, what is the use of this rule? If this rule is not written, then we need not have written. Panini Maharishi need not have written this. He has written. Therefore, it must have some usage. And therefore, this rule is an exception. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sure.
Exception to, I just make it as just a Sandhi. Actually, you should have asked this question to me. Why it doesn't happen? Because Sakara is also a jal letter. It must have been replaced by Dakara. Why it didn't happen? Anyway, important. Note this. Okay. Is it clear? Others?
Yes, sir. Yes, yes.
Yes.
Okay. So I'm not going to read all the rules, just showing this. And rule number 8, 9, 10, all those things are Visarga undergoing changes. Okay. And here also some more rules are there, Visarga. First, you'll be familiar with these rules. Other rules I will tell you. It will be few rules, not much, because we have covered majority of the rules we have covered. Now coming to the Vyanjana Sandhi. The first one is Jashtra Sandhi. I name it as Jashtra Sandhi number 1. You can remember the names. Jashtra Sandhi number 1. That is 8 to 8 to 39. Padantajal replaced by just letter. Okay. So this is the first rule you have to apply. Don't skip this rule, don't jump. This is a rule to be applied. Even if it doesn't make any dent on the dent at the sandhi, but still you have to apply this. Okay. Then after this, Shtutra Sandhi. How do you apply Shtutra Sandhi? Shtutra Sandhi is applicable only when Sakara is there. And Sakara is already born in the Visarga Sandhi. So from Visarga Sandhi, from that table you have to come here. Okay. As I told before, this Vyanjana also, the rules can be arranged. This table also can be inserted into that table, but it will become a long table, difficult. That's why I separated that. That is Visarga. This table is Vyanjana. Okay. The separation of table is only for our understanding. You can insert all the rules into that table also. It is your choice. Now the 19th rule is Shtutra Sandhi. That is the Sakara, which is there in the previous table, undergoes changes. It is 8-4. 8th chapter, 4th section. Jashtra Sandhi is in 8th chapter, 2nd section. So in between one full chapter, more than one chapter, and more rules are there. So you have to come 8-4-40. Shtutra Sandhi applicable, apply. And Shtutra Sandhi has exception also. So you have to take into consideration the exception also. Then Shtutra Sandhi, if it is applicable, apply. All these are in 8-4, 8-4-40, 8-4-41. And Shtutra Sandhi exception also, if it is there, then apply the exception. Exception always takes precedence. Remember that. Then after this, we saw Anunasika Sandhi. Padantayar replaced by Anunasika. This is Anunasika Sandhi. I think this I missed by mistake. I named this as Anuswara Sandhi or something, right? They are named like this.
No, Shanji, you said Anunasika only.
It's correct.
Maybe another one I would have said wrongly, I think. Okay, anyway. I said it Anunasika, it is fine. 8-4-45. After 8-4-45, then Jashtra Vidhi number 2. What does it say? Here there is no condition of Padanta. Jal followed by Jash. Jal must be replaced by Jash letter. Jashtra Vidhi number 2. Here also Jash is the Adesha, therefore Jashtra Sandhi, but we are naming it as number 2, second rule. Then after this, Jashtra Sandhi, 8-4-53, Chartva Vidhi comes. Here Chartva, Char is the Adesha, therefore it is called Chartva, 8-4-55 and 8-4-56. What does it say? Padanta Jal followed by Kar letter, then the Jal must be replaced by Char letter. Or if it is a Avasana Jal, then replaced by Char letter optionally. This is what Chartva Vidhi is. Okay. Then after that, Parasavarna Sandhi. I think this I would have named Anuswara Sandhi number 2 or something. I think this is the one. Okay.
Yeah.
See, always Namakaranam is done by the Adesha. Here Adesha is not Anuswara. Anuswara will be replaced by the Savarna of the following Yai. Okay, we can say Anuswara Sandhi also because Anuswara is going to be replaced. Therefore, the replacement also must be an Anuswara, but really it is not Anuswara. Why? Because the 5th letter of the class consonant is going to replace. And they are Anunasika. Therefore, you can name it as Anunasika Sandhi, but Anunasika Sandhi already name given. So, therefore, we can name it as Parasavarna Sandhi. Right? So, this you can correct it. I think this I named it as Anuswara Sandhi number 2. You can remove that name. You can name it as Parasavarna Sandhi. This correction you can make it. Anuswara when followed by the Yai. What are the Yai letters? What are the Yai letters? Important pratyaharas. You need to remember. Yar, Yai, Jal, Kar, Char.
All
Except sibilants.
Yes. All the consonants except sibilants.
Sibilants.
What about Yar?
Yes, you will include even the sibilants.
all the consonants
consonants.
except the sibilant ha, soft sibilant. Remember, this pratyaharas must know. So A letter is all the consonants except the sibilants. Okay. When anuswara is followed by this A letter, then replace anuswara by the corresponding the Savarna letter. For the class consonant, Anunasika compound is the fifth letter of the class. And for the semi-vowels, we have seen Ya, Va, Ra, La as its Anunasika component. What about the Anunasika component of Repa?
It does not have.
It doesn't have. So, all the class consonants, the fifth letter of the class, Nya, Ma, Nga, Na, Na, those are the Anunasika. And for Ya, Va, Ra, its Anunasika component are there. So, they will replace Anuswara. So, therefore, Anunasika Sandhi will be the right name, not Anuswara Sandhi. I named it as Anuswara Sandhi number 2, that you can change it. Either change it as Anunasika Sandhi number 2, or better name it as Parasavarna Sandhi. That is a good name. Okay. Clear?
Yes, sir.
If you have taken notes, please correct this. The naming should not confuse you. That is why I'm saying this. Then going back, going to the next rule. This replacement of Anuswara followed by A. Okay. Then if it is Padanta Anuswara,
It's optional.
then it is optional. Then it is optional. The same, it is Parasavarna only. Then rule number 28, it says Targa letter followed by Lakara, replace Tavarga by Lakara. So Tha, Tha, Dha, Dha, the four letters, the first four letters will be replaced by Lakara. And the fifth letter, Nakara, which is a Tavarga letter, whose Uchcharana Sthanam is Danta plus Nasika. Therefore, the Anunasika component of Lakara will replace. La will come. Okay. That is Latva Sandhi. Our naming, La, because Lakara is the Adesha, therefore Latva Sandhi. Then the last Sandhi, what we saw was Purva Savarna Sandhi. Hakara preceded by, important, preceded by J letter. Preceded by J letter. J is what? What are the J letters?
4, 3, 2, 1.
3, 2, 1.
4, 3, 2, 1.
3, 2, 1.
All the class consonants except the fifth letter. Right? All the class consonants except the fifth letter. So, what will happen to Hakara? Will be replaced by the fourth letter of the following, corresponding fourth letter of the following J letter. Why it replaces? That we saw. Okay. So, you remember all these rules now? Is it any doubt in these rules? If these rules are clear, then you would be able to split any sandhi. Now, you please type your name in the chat box. We will do some abhyasa.
Only like there's no Anuswara that comes earlier, right? 833.
That I have not added here. Yes. Anuswara, that is Padanta, Makara, will be replaced by Anuswara, that is 8-3. I taught you, but I have not added in the list. First, let this sandhi be clear. We will do abhyasa. Then other sandhis I will slowly add in this table. First, these rules must.
Ji, for this Jastu Sandhi, is there any exception for the other letters, Hakara or Shakara, all the sibilants? Any other exceptions for those two as well?
Okay. And you know it. You tell me what is that. Hakara, what will happen to Hakara?
Padanta.
Odaha, remember.
Yeah, the Amma.
That Hakara is taken care by the previous rule. That will do the change. So Akara will not come for this Jastavidi at all.
Okay.
It will be taken care before itself. So Akara is ruled out. And what about other letters? Sakara doesn't come.
Yeah, that is exception.
Sakara, if Sakara, Sakara goes to this, will be replaced by repa and all. And after this, sakara undergoes changes. Shakara, shakara, depending on what follows. Chutva, that also comes later. That also will not come. Even if shakara comes before, if it is a, then it becomes murdanya shakara. That also rule is the previous rule. Brashcha, we have seen that.
Yeah.
They will take care. So all this will be filtered. It will not be there.
Okay, Jay. Thank you.
Okay, then now Sundarji, you can take up the next shloka. Shloka number 4. Naki kaschit kshanamapi jatu prishtatya karma krut karyate yavashak karma sarva prakriti jayir gunai. Sundarji, are you there? Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, Sharan.
Yes.
I was on mute, sorry. There is Nahi Kaschit Kshanamapi is 5th shloka, 3.5.
Yes. When something is required to type and explain, I will do it. Otherwise, I will just say it. You can understand. If you have any problem, you can let me know. Others, okay? Yeah, please read.
Yeah, I have written Kaschit plus Kshanam. Kaschit Kshanam. Starts with Kaschit plus Kshanam. Then Padanta Jal will be replaced by just letter. Therefore, it becomes Kaschid plus Kshanam.
Okay. After that?
After Jal followed by Kar.
Very good.
Then Jal will be replaced by Char letter.
Okay, good. Understand this, all of you? Kaschit Kshana, how does it become?
Kaschit, we can separate Kaha plus Chit. Is the...
Oh, that is one more thing. Yes.
Visarga followed by Kar letter will be placed.
Yeah, right.
Okay.
Yes, can be done. So let me type it here. You can see. Kaschit Kshanam plus api. Kaschit Kshanam plus api. Let us do this. So here, Kaha plus Chit, you get Kaschit. It's a Nagya. Kaha plus Chit becomes Kaschit. It's a Nagya. Chit pratyaya. Okay. So then followed by Kshana user. Kshanam. Let us do this. Kaha plus Chit. Join this. Kaha, Visarga preceded by, sorry, not preceded by, followed by. Because Kar letter follows, don't bother about what precedes. What will happen is Visarga?
Visarga
will be replaced by Sakara.
Sakara.
Visarga will be replaced by,
Then Shutva Sandhi.
Kaha. Kas plus Chit. Okay, then
Shakara will replace the corresponding Shakara.
Shakara. So Kaschit. Okay, good. Now Kaschit plus Kshanam. Kaschit plus Kshanam. What's Sandhi? Sundarji? Just plus Sandhi.
Yes, just plus Sandhi.
Kaschit you apply. Then after that, Nakara is Jal letter, followed by Ksha, that is Kakara, Kar letter. So Kaschit, then Kshanam. Good. Okay. So this Kaha plus Chit you can know. Chit is an Pratyaya and Kaha is Kaha Kauke, Kam Kaukan, Kim Shabda, Pullinga, Strillinga, Napumsaka, any Shabda you take. You add Chit, you get Avyaya. Kaschit, you get Avyaya. If it is K, K Chit. If it is Ka, Ka Chit. Kasmin, Kasmin Chit. Chit and Chana, these are Pratyaya, adding which you get Avyaya. Okay. So, Kaschit Kshanam iti. Then the next line.
Tishtati plus Akarma Krita.
Yes, Tishtati plus Akarma
Krita.
Yan Sandhi.
Yan Sandhi.
Okay, then
Jatu Tishtati Karma Krita. कार्यते ह्यवशः कर्म ह्यवशः he plus avashaha
Yes.
is
He
ह्यवशः
plus havashaha yan sandhi.
yan sandhi.
Then
Then ह्यवशः plus karma
yes.
is ह्यवशः karma, that is visarga followed by kakara or pakara.
Visarga followed by kar letter and the kar letter ka or kha. If it is there, visarga will be
Retained
ardha visarga.
with the sound of jihva mulya.
Yeah, ardha visarga. The ardha visarga is jihva mulya. Ardha visarga is called jihva mulya. The sound will be yavashak karma. Okay. Then after that,
Similarly, same thing for sarva prakriti.
very good. Sarva. Sarvaha is a visarga followed by pakara. Therefore, sarvaf prakriti. Prakriti.
Prakriti jair. Prakriti plus
Not prakriti.
Jai.
Where visarga is there? After jai only visarga is there. So not there is no prakriti.
Prakriti. Is it not prakritir jai?
No.
Sorry.
Prakriti jaihi plus gunaihi.
Jaihi. Prakriti jaihi
See.
plus gunaihi.
Prakritya jayate prakrtija. Prakritya jayate prakrtija. So prakrtijaha, prakrtijahau, prakrtijaha, prakrtijau, prakrtijaha. Rama Shabdavat. And Bhagavachanam will be Tritya Vibhakti Bhagavachanam Ramehi Prakriti Jaihi. That is what it is. Prakritya jayate. Born of Prakriti. What? The gunas, the characters. Because of that, people cannot remain without work even for a moment. That is what the shloka says. So, Prakriti Jaihi Gunaihi.
Gunaihi.
So, Prakriti Jair Gunaihi. What sandhi is that? No sandhi.
It is inferred rule.
Yes, yeah. If it is, what was there before Visarga? Repa was there. Repa is there, that's all. Repa would have become Visarga provided the conditions are there, followed by kar or whatever it may be. It is not there. Therefore, Repa is there as it is. Prakriti Jaihi Gunaihi. Next person. Ganesh Shloka can do.
Karmendriyani Sayamya
Hmm.
Ya Aste Manasa Smaran. So, Yaha Aste.
Now, Karmendriyani from Samyamya, from that onwards you can do. Samyamya also is there.
Samyamya is there, yes.
Yes, what sandhi is there?
Karmendriyani is one word. Samyam.
Yes, Karmendriyani one word. Okay, that is also sandhi is there. Karmendriyani also one word. It's samasa, but within a samasa, two padams
Karma
are.
Karma Indriyani.
Karma plus Indriyani, Karmendriyani. Okay. It's a samasa, it's a compound. You cannot split and write it separately. Karma, Indriyani, sandhi has happened, but Karmendriyani is one word. You understand? It's a compound word.
Right.
Karmanaha Indriyani are Indriyas which are used for karma. Karmani vishaye ye Indriyani vartate te tani Karmendriyani. So karma plus Indriyani, Karmendriyani. What sandhi is that?
Guna happens there.
Guna happens. A plus E. Guna. Then Samyamya.
So this is the
What is
compound
that?
word. Sam plus Yamya.
Sam plus Yamya. What sandhi?
Yamya. This is Anuswara Sandhi number 1. We can take it.
Please remove that one, number 1, number 2. I told you. No?
Right. Okay. Anuswara Sandhi.
Anuswara
Makara.
Sandhi. No, is it Anuswara Sandhi? Anuswara is going to be replaced by the Anunasika of the following. Therefore, Anunasika Sandhi. That also I told. That's why I said Anuswara Sandhi number 2. You correct it as
Parasavarna.
Parasavarna.
Parasavarna Sandhi.
You can call it as Parasavarna. Please note the correction what I told. Otherwise,
Right.
Because Anuswara is going to be replaced. It's going to be replaced by the Anuswara of the following, but there is no Anuswara for the class concept. Anunasika only is there. Therefore, you can name it as Anunasika Sandhi number 2, but not as Anuswara Sandhi. Okay, if naming has confused, I'm sorry for it. You can see naming always done based on the Adesha. Here, Anuswara, some is there. Anuswara is there. The Anuswara will be replaced by the Anunasika component of the following A letter. And Yakara is there. Yakara is A. Right?
Right.
So, and its Anunasika component is Sanyamaha, the nasalized Yakara. Sam plus Yamya, Sanyama or Samyamya. Both are okay. Sanyamya or Samyamya. Both are okay. You remember this rule? What is the rule number? I mean, what is the rule number? What is the rule number or what is the rule?
8323.
No. That is not the rule here.
Anuswarasya yai parasavarne.
8323. That is not the rule here.
I made a mistake then in understanding. Okay.
Anuswara, when followed by the A letter, you can see here.
8.8458.
8458.
Anuswara will be replaced by the Savarna of the following A. Okay. So, some is there. There is Parasavarna Sandhi. I'll type here. Sundarji, if you are taking it as a sum, then Anuswara Sandhi, what you said is correct. Okay.
Yeah, that is how I did.
Yes. Yeah, understood. Sum is Upasarga, right? Makara is there. Padanta Makara. So Padanta Makara will become Anuswara. That is sum. If this is what you are saying, 8323 Anuswara Sandhi, yes. This is Anuswara Sandhi. Padanta Makara is replaced by Anuswara. Therefore, Anuswara Sandhi, which is not there in the table, but I taught this rule. Okay.
Yeah.
Simple rule. This is very simple rule. I gave some examples. Pandava, Nekam, Vyudam, and first chapter of the Gita. Okay. This sum is there. Now, Padanta Makara has become Anuswara. When does it become? No condition. Only Padanta, then Anuswara. Then you add M here. Now you can apply. This Padanta Makara becoming Anuswara is 8.3. And now we are coming to 8.4 at the end. Anuswara followed by A letter. Then Anuswara will be replaced by the Anunasika component, Savarna of the A letter. That is Yakara. Krishnanji, what is that symbol you said? What does it control?
Shift, tilde, and letter M.
It doesn't come. I tried. It came before, but now I don't know what. Oh, it's coming now. Yesterday I tried. It didn't come to me. Okay. Then Samya. Sanyamya. And this Padanta Anuswara. For Padanta Anuswara, this rule is for Padanta Anuswara, this rule is optional, right? You can see
8459.
Yes. Rule number 26 and 27 you can see. Anuswara will be replaced by the Savarna of the following A. Rule number 26. But for Padanta Anuswara it is 27. The chart. This is optional. Therefore, you get another form. Some M here. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
This is what you will find in general application. You will see this. But when we chant, we say Sanyamya. Samyamya also you can say, nothing wrong. Sanyamya or Samyamya. All of you, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Anuswara Sandhi and then Anunasika Sandhi. Anuswara Sandhi and then Anunasika Sandhi. Anuswara Sandhi is not there in the table. Okay. I taught you, but not in the table. I will add it later. Along with other Sandhi rules, I will add. So I not added now. Okay. The next line. If any doubt is there, please ask. Even if it is a basic doubt, doesn't mind. Because we are doing practice now. It's the right time to ask. If things goes above our head, then it may be difficult. Then the next one.
Next one is Yaha plus aste.
Good.
Here,
Yaha,
this is visarga.
Yes.
Visarga followed, preceded by a and followed by ach, which is not a. So here it is a, it is dirgha, and therefore it gets replaced by yakara.
Good.
And then yakara becomes lopaha. That's why it's ya aste.
Ya aste. So ya is yaha aste. Good. Continue.
So same way it is saha uchyate later.
Yes, yes. Saha. But saha is, visarga is dropped. Doesn't become
Visarga
yakara.
is dropped. Yes.
It's very specific for the letter tad and etad. Right? Specific for yeshaha saha.
Yeshaha and saha.
That.
Followed by al, then become lopaha.
Sorry. Yeah. Followed by hal, it is always drop. Okay. Followed by hal, it is always drop.
All letters except a.
Yeah. And there I told, anyway, I don't want to confuse with that. Yes, if it's a drop, it's fine. Okay. Then other one, indriyarthan.
Indriya plus arthan, I think.
Yeah.
So the savarna dirgha, indriyarthan. Vimuda plus atma, again savarna dirgha.
Savarna dirgha. Okay.
Mityacharaha saha. So
Mityacharaha, visarga is there.
Yeah, followed by sakara.
Which is a?
So when it is followed by sakara, shakara is shar letter. So
shar letter.
So we can replace that with sakara and make it mityacharassa uchyate, or
yes,
optionally visarga. So here visarga is retained.
Very good. Next person, Sumati ji, next shloka.
Yeah. It is 3 point, yes, 3.7, yeah. Yastva indriyani manasa. So first one is...
Yastva, it is not yastva, yastvi.
Yastvi indriyani can be split as yaha plus 2 plus indriyani.
Good.
Yaha plus indriyani, you can say visarga followed by kar letter. So it will be replaced by sakara. Then
letter, it is replaced with two letter.
Two letter. Shutvasa.
Okay.
Then 2 plus indriyani is yan sandhi.
Good.
The next one is I've written niyam yara arabade Arjuna. So it will be Arjuna. It is niyamya plus arabate. It is savarna dirgha sandhi.
Okay.
Arabate plus Arjuna, it is purva rupa sandhi, because you can split it as arabataha plus Arjuna. No, I'm sorry, arabate plus Arjuna. It will be purva rupa sandhi.
Purva rupa sandhi.
Yeah.
A plus rab will be atmanipadi. Arabate, arabete, arabante, kriyapadam visa. Okay, next line.
Next line, it will be karmendriyai. It will be karma plus indriyaihi. It will be guna sandhi only, just like what we saw previously. Because a plus e becomes a, so karmendriyaihi. Then next one is karmendriyaihi. Yeah, there the visarga will be retained because it is followed by the that is your any kar letter which is other than kakara, ka, the visarga will be retained.
Ka, kha is there. I mean, visarga is there because it is followed by kha or kha.
Ka.
Only those two letters.
Yeah.
When two letters, the visarga will be there, or visarga will become ardha visarga.
Ardha visarga. Okay.
That's it.
The next one, it will be the same thing. I think karma gamas gataha plus
karma yogam asattaha.
So that you can split it as there also visarga will be retained because it is followed by visarga is followed by shar letter.
Shar letter, yes. Then
saha plus vinishyate.
Vishishyate.
I'm sorry. Saha plus vishishyate. There also, because Visarga will be retained, Visarga will be Lopaha because Saha and Yeshaha, Visarga, when followed by
Yes.
any letter, it will be.
Good.
Yeah.
That's a rule here. Yes. That is a rule here. Saha plus Vishishyate, that Visarga of Etad and Saha, that is Yeshaha and Saha, it's dropped. Whereas Sa Uchyate, the previous shloka, there Visarga is replaced by Yakara and Yakara Lopaha Bhavati. Okay. The next person now. Rama.
Yeah. Niyatam kuru karma, tvam karma jayo hya karmanaha. Niyatam plus kuru. So here the for Padanta Anuswara, replacement of
Padanta Makara.
Anuswara.
Padanta Makara. Niyatam plus Kuru. Niyatam Padanta Makara will be replaced by Anuswara.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Anuswara Sandhi. And then
you can do this Sandhi. Next Sandhi.
Okay.
Anuswara followed by
A
letter. So what will happen?
But அது வந்து optional அது.
Yes, optional.
So niyatam kuru. Otherwise அந்த அனுநாசிகா மாதிரி மாத்தலாம். Fifth letter. Niyatam kuru.
I type here for the sake of others. This niyatam kuru. Niyatam plus Kuru. Niyatam plus Kuru will become Niyatam plus Kuru. This is Anunasika. Sorry, Anuswara Sandhi. Then after that, Anuswara followed by a letter. So you get Niyatam Kuru, you can say. Or you can retain the same thing. Niyatam. Okay.
Yeah.
So Niyatam Kuru. Okay. So first Anuswara Sandhi and then Anunasika Sandhi. Anuswara Sandhi means Anuswara will be the Adesha. Anunasika Sandhi, Anunasika will be the Adesha. Okay.
Then
continue.
Karma plus Tvam again plus Karma. So here also Padanta Makara has become Anuswara. So Tvam plus Karma. Then Anunasika Sandhi or the Apavada, optional.
Optional.
Yeah.
Yes.
Then
Padanta Anuswara will be left as it is. It's optional. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Then Karma plus Jayo, Jayaha, Visarga preceded by Akara, then followed by Ash letter. So then it becomes Ukara and then Guna happens. So Jayo. Then here Karmanaha, he plus Karmanaha, Yan Sandhi has happened.
He plus Akarmanaha.
Oh, okay. Yeah. He plus Akarmanaha.
Akarmanaha, Yan Sandhi.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then Sharira Yatrapi. Sharira Yatra plus Api. So here Savarna Sandhi.
Yes.
Plus Cha plus Te plus Na. Then Prasidyet plus Akarmanaha.
Yes. Sandhi is.
Then
Prasidyet. Takara will be there.
Jashtra Sandhi.
Jashtra Sandhi happens. Prasidyed plus Akarmanaha. Then after that, Melanam. Prasidyed Akarmanaha.
Akarmanaha. Yeah.
Next person. Kameshwari. Next sloka.
Yajñartat karmanon yatre lokoyam karma bandhanah. Here first Yajñartat, Yajña plus Artat, Savarna Dirgha. Next word karmanon yatra, Karmanaha plus Anyatra.
Yajñartat also we can say Yajñartad.
Okay. Yeah. Jashtva Sandhi. Dakara will come, then followed by kar letter.
Good.
So it is replaced by char.
Char, Yajna,
So,
Tat. Okay.
Okay. Then
All of you, can you follow that? Can you follow that? Yajnartat?
Yes, Sharanji.
Yes, Ji.
Yajnartad plus karma. If you, Yajnartad, first you take it. Then apply Jashtva Sandhi becomes Yajnartad. And again back to Takara by Chartva Vidhi. So Jashtva Vidhi and then Chartva Vidhi, you get the same form. Yes, continue.
Then second word, karmanaha plus anyatra. Here visarga preceded by a and followed by a. So ukara, visarga is replaced by ukara. Then guna happens. Then karmano. So visarga a plus vu will become vo. So karmano anyatra. There purva rupa sandhi.
Very good.
That
yes.
Next word, lokoyam, again purva rupa sandhi. Lokaha plus ayam. Lokaha plus ayam, same rule only. Visargaha preceded by a, followed by a. So vukara will come and then guna will happen. And a is lopaha, purva rupa sandhi.
Not lopaha, a is
purva rupa sandhi. That will become
purva
rupa sandhi.
Okay. That's all.
Then tat next
you can say ayam karma bandhana, that you can say. Loko ayam karma bandhana, ayam padanta makara.
Karma, I don't get it. Karma bandhana.
Loko ayam is there?
Yeah.
Ayam plus karma bandhana.
Anuswara.
Anuswara. Padanta makara is replaced by anuswara. Why?
It is padanta makara. That's
followed by padanta
followed
makara.
by yai.
Followed by consonant.
Hush.
Followed
by yai letter.
Not yai letter.
Hush.
Padanta not hush also. Any consonant. Padanta makara.
Hal.
Padanta makara followed by hal will be replaced by anuswara. That is called anuswara sandhi.
Okay.
Anuswara sandhi. You remember anuswara sandhi?
Yeah.
Simple.
Anuswara sandhi number 1 you said, Sharan.
Yeah.
Sorry?
Anuswara sandhi number 1 you said.
Yeah. You can put number 1 from anuswara. You can just name it anuswara sandhi because there is no anuswara sandhi number 2. Therefore,
but actually then in sandhi you said that the monoswara 8.3.
Yes.
8.323. Yeah.
That is called anuswara sandhi. That is anuswara. Only one anuswara sandhi, which is that. Right? There is no 1 and 2. That parasavarna is, I said, it has anuswara sandhi number 2. That anuswara sandhi number 2, you can remove it, that name. You can just retain the name parasavarna. That much. Okay. The next person now.
No, I have to finish second line. Tadartham karma kaunteya. Tadartham is tat plus artham.
What sandhi?
Jashtva sandhi.
Jashtva sandhi.
First, takara will become dakara, tad plus artham. That is jal. Padanta jal will be replaced by jash letter. So jashtva sandhi. So tadartham karma kaunteya.
Artham, here also artham. Artham padanta makara.
Right. Padanta makara same, followed by consonant.
Yes.
So this will be replaced by its anunasika.
Anuswara.
Sorry.
Then anuswara can be replaced by anunasika. Following is the A letter. Ka. Tadatang kaunteya, you can say. Right?
Okay.
First is anuswara sandhi and then anunasika.
Here it's karma, so we don't need to say the anunasika, right? Tadartham karma only.
Why?
No, we can say nga, right? Yeah. Tadartham
Yes, that's what.
So
One
they-
example already I've done, that's why I'm not doing. Niyatam kuru, for that I have shown this same thing. Same thing. Niyatam kuru, tadartam karma, same way. So you can remember one example, understand the other examples also. Okay, continue.
Then last word, samachara, sam
Hmm.
plus achara, melanam, right?
Okay, mukta sangaha, samachara. Sarga is there.
Mukta sangaha. So it is followed by shar letter. Therefore,
Yes.
optional. Here we are taking visarga.
Yes.
It can be replaced by sakara or visargaha. We have taken visargaha.
Yes. Next person. After Kameshwarji.
सः यज्ञाः प्रजाः. So सः यज्ञाः, visarga is pravarna is pakara. So visarga either stays as it is or replaced by other visarga, upadmaniya.
Upadmaniya is a sound. Okay. Yeah, Upadmaniya. The other Visarga. Yes. The name of other Visarga is Upadmaniya. Okay. Then?
And then next word prajaha is prajaha srishtva. Again, visarga paravarna is sakara, which is a shar letter. So you can have two forms. Visarga
Yes.
stays as it is, or sakara can come.
Okay.
And then puro vacha prajapatihi. So there pura plus uvacha.
Yes.
Guna sandhi happens, so okara comes in. Then anena prasavashayatvam.
Prasavishayadvam.
Prasavishayadvam.
Vishyadvam.
Or Vishyadvam. So there's no sandhi. It's esha. Makara plus esha. So it's melanam.
Yes.
It's esha. So makara plus esha. So melanam. And then the special rule for saha and esha.
Yes.
So the visarga becomes a lopaha there.
Yes.
And then last word, vaha then ishtakamadu. Vaha astu ishtakamadu.
Yes.
So vaha, the visarga is followed by aswa akara and preceded by purva varna is also aswa akara. So ukara comes in and guna sandhi happens, so it becomes o. And
Pururupa.
And Pururupa, right. And then Ishtakamaduk. So there astu Ishtakamaduk, yen sandhi happens. So it becomes Tushtakamaduk.
Astu plus Ishta becomes
Astvishta.
Vakara comes.
Right.
Just for the sake of others. Yeah, it's done correctly. Good. Next one. Next shloka. Ram Kaveji.
Sharanji, one question.
Yes.
How does Vakara come? I didn't follow because I wrote it as
Vaha plus. Okay, let me type it. I'll type that. See, it is Yeshaha, then Astu plus Yeshaha plus Astu. Yeshaha or Vaha? Okay.
Yeshavostu. It becomes Yeshavostu.
Yeshaha, okay, let me type it. Vaha plus Astu plus
Ishtakamaduk.
Ishtakamaduk.
Duk.
Right? Okay. So Yeshaha plus Vaha, we know that it becomes Yeshavo.
So it becomes
Yeshavo plus Astu. Yeshavo. Okay. Astu plus Ishtakamaduk. O will be replaced by Akara. And E follows V. Yeshavos Trishtakamadu. Clear?
Which sandhi is that?
Sandhi.
Followed by Pakara? Yeah.
Yen Sandhi.
Right.
See, Astu plus Ishta is Yen Sandhi. That's a doubt, I think, right?
Right, that's the doubt.
Yeah.
I took it as Astavosh, tu followed by E becomes to, I thought.
Oh, no. Yen Sandhi. Ik letter followed by this Ach letter. Right? Other than it's Savarna.
So it's replaced by Vakara.
Who will be replaced by Vakara.
Right. Understood.
It's a good sandhi. You can note this. You can remember many rules from this. Yeshaha plus vaha. Visarga is dropped by that rule, that special rule. Then vaha plus astu becomes vostu. Vakara replaced by u and guna happens, and then pururupa. 3 rules are applied. And astu plus ishtaka maduku. Ishtaka. All the achsandhi rules. You can see here almost. Right? It's a good example for that. You know, if you can resolve this, actually you know it thoroughly. Next one, Ramkaveji.
Devan bhavayatanina te deva bhavayantu parasparam bhavayantaha shreyah paramavapsyatha. Devan bhavayata anena te devaha bhavayantu vaha. Bhavayata anena savarna dirgha santi.
Okay. Devan bhavayata anena. Okay.
Then devaha, the visarga will lopaha.
Why? Devaha bhavayantu. Visarga is?
Ba is a ash letter, so the visarga will become a lopaha.
Visarga will become?
Yeah,
Akara and then lopa.
will become lopaha.
Yes.
And then parasparam bhavayanta, that parasparam, the anuswara sandhi number 1, monoswaraha 8.
Padanta makara replaced by anuswara. Okay.
Will replaced by followed by consonants, so it will become. Then bhavayantaha, we can say like that, we can pronounce the visarga. Shreyah, that's our upadmaniyana.
Okay.
Upadmaniyam, so shreyah. Param avapsyata. So it's a savarna dirgha santi. Parama avapsyata.
That's not savarna dirgha there. Param plus avapsyata, that's all.
Parama avapsyata. Melanam. Param plus avapsyata is melanam.
Melanam only. Ava plus apsyata, there it is savarna dirgha. Avapsyata.
Oh, we can split. Ava plus avapsyata.
It's upasarga. Apsyata, apdatu, apnoti, apnuantaha, apnuanti, apnoshi. Apapsyata is future tense, rit lakara.
Oh, I didn't write that.
Ava plus apsyata, avapsyata. Okay.
Oh,
Here, bhavayantaha plus shreyaha.
Bhavayantaha, bhavayantas shreyaha, we can strike it, say that it is shakara. So, I say issa will come. Otherwise,
Shadda
we can
followed by shar letter.
So we can say bhavayantas shreya.
Yes.
We split bhavayantaha shreya.
Shreyaha. Okay. Sundarji. Number 12.
Ishtan Bhogan.
Okay. Before proceeding, 1 minute. Anybody has a doubt in this? Any shloka? You can please ask. If you have any doubt in splitting any word, understanding the rules, you can let me know. If you have any difficulty later also, you can send me through WhatsApp. Okay, please continue. Sundar.
Ishtan Bhogan Hivo Deva Dasyante Yajna Bhavitaha.
When you split this, very important. See, why Sandhi knowledge is important. You read now, Ishtan Bhogan Hivo Deva. You are making a pause there. Ishtan Bhogan Hivo Devaha. This Devaha. That is why Sandhi is important. Devaha only, not Deva.
Okay.
How do we know that? Only when we know the Sandhi. Devaha is Bhagavachanam. Yajna Bhavitaha is a Bhagavachanam. Dasyante is a Kriya Padam. Dasyante Yajna Bhavitaha. So it's not Deva, it is Devaha.
Devaha. Okay.
Then we have to know what Sandhi and all. Okay, please do it.
Yeah, so I'm a little Ishtan Bhogan Hi. I don't find any Sandhi in Ishtan Bhogan Hi.
No problem, leave it. Yes. No. Ishtan plus Bhogan plus E. It's all just Melanam.
Yeah. Then O Deva means Ishtan Bhogan Hi. O Deva. Is there any Sandhi there? I am not.
O plus
clear.
Deva, Vaha plus Deva.
Vaha
is
plus
Asmakam. To us, Ishmat Shabda, Vaha. Vaha plus
Vaha
Devaha.
plus Devaha.
What Sandhi is that? Visarga.
Vaha. Visarga followed by
preceded by
letter.
Preceded by and followed by not karl. Dakara is not karl.
No. Deva. Sorry. Vaha Deva. Devaha.
Yes.
That is Visarga is preceded by Akara.
Followed by soft consonant, hush letter.
Okay.
Visarga preceded by followed by hush. Visarga will be replaced by.
1 second.
You can see that in the Visarga Sandhi rules.
Yeah, Visarga preceded by hush.
Yes.
Then Guna will happen. U and then Guna will happen.
Yes. In the place of Visarga, Ukara Adesha and then Guna happens. Therefore, O Deva comes.
Yeah, O Deva.
Right?
Just like Atogataha, which you have given as an example.
Yes, yes, yeah, same one.
So,
okay. Then
O Devaha. Devaha plus Bhavayantu.
Devaha plus Dasyante.
Devaha plus Dasyan.
Dasyante. Shloka number 12. We can see.
Sorry. Yeah.
Devaha plus
Dasyante. Which is
Visarga preceded by Akara.
Good.
Followed by?
And it is followed by Das.
The rule what is given?
Yeah. In the table.
Paravarna is Purvavarna Akara. Paravarna
here preceded by Akara and followed by Ash letter.
Ash letter.
There, but here it is not Ash, isn't it?
Is it Ash only? Dasyante is it? It is
Dasyante, yeah.
Yes, Dakara is
okay.
Yes.
So,
okay. Visarga preceded by A and followed by
Ash letter.
Ash is,
it is replaced by Yakara.
Yeah.
And then Yakara will be dropped. No further Sandhi.
Yeah. That was Sandhi possible. Deva Dasyante. Okay. So therefore, Devaha Dasyante. Visarga is there. When you split, Devaha. Yakara is there. You cannot see that. Yakara is there.
Yeah. Devaha Dasyante becomes Deva Dasyante.
Okay.
Then Yajnam Bhavitaha. I don't think there is any Sandhi there.
Yajnam Bhavita. Yes. Then the next line.
Tairdattana Pradayabhyo. Again, here also it should be okay. Tairdattana Pradayabhyo. Taihi plus Dattana Pradayahi. No, Praday.
Taihi Dattan Apradayabhyaha.
Taihi Dattan Apradayabhyaha.
Taihi Dattan Apradayabhyaha.
Apradayabhyaha.
Apradayabhyaha only. Okay. Apradayabhyaha. Tair Dattan Apradayabhyaha. Okay. So yes. Just a minute, please. Yeah, please read. Sorry.
Pradayabhyaha. Yai is Vriddhi Sandhi there? Is it Vriddhi Sandhi? Because
why Vriddhi Sandhi?
I is coming, isn't it?
But when you split, it should be meaningful.
Correct. Pradaya plus.
Pradaya plus.
Yabhyaha.
Yes, good. Taihi.
Pradaya plus.
Taihi dattan apradaya then ebhyaha. Right?
Yeah. So apradaya plus ebhyaha becomes
Yes.
apradayabhyaha.
So now vriddhi sandhi.
Yeah.
Vriddhi sandhi is said correctly, but the other word you have to find. Apradaya, then what will be other? Ebhyaha.
Ebhyaha.
What is ebhyaha? Remember ebhyaha?
Yeah.
What shabda is it? Ebhyaha? Anybody?
Idam shabda.
Ya Shabda.
Not ya
Panchami.
shabda. Ebhyaha is ya shabda. But here, okay.
Oh.
This is not ebhyaha, ebhyaha.
I am.
That is
Ayam.
Idam Shabda. Idam Shabda.
idam shabda.
Shabda.
Idam shabdasya chaturthi vibhakti bhagavachanam ebhyaha. And Panchami also it is same.
Oh, okay.
Ebhyaha. That is a conjunct vowel, not the consonant. I think somebody said yes shabda. If that is there, then you will not get ye. You will not get. Padaya plus ebhyaha you will get. Padaya ebhyaha you will get. This is ebhyaha. Pradayebhyaha, therefore ebhyaha. A plus a becomes yai. Understand? Can you follow this? All of you.
Last point I didn't understand. That is a plus
Okay, I'll type it here. See,
ebhyaha. How is it becomes yai?
it is Pradaya plus somebody said ebhyaha. I'm just taking that possibility. Ebhyaha, if you write, then yeah, there is no sandhi. Pradaya ebhyaha must come. That is not the form there.
Okay.
Form is Pradaya plus ebhyaha becomes ebhyaha is idam shabdasya chaturthi vibhakti bhagavachanam. Therefore, Pradaya a plus a will become yai. Vriddhi sandhi. Pradayebhyaha. Okay, clear?
Yes, it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, continue.
Could you kindly show the screen? Endartana pradayebhyaha. Pradayebhyaha plus yo.
Yes, what
Yaha.
sandhi? Yeah, sandhi is
Pradayebhyaha plus so Pradayebhyaha plus yaha, which means Visarga is preceded by akara and followed by akara. Therefore, it becomes Pradayebhyo.
preceded by a and followed by hush.
Hush letter.
Soft
That
consonant,
means
right? Visarga will be replaced by u. Therefore, Pradayebhyo. Clear?
yeah.
Pradayebhyaha plus yo is there. Visarga preceded by a and followed by hush. Therefore, Visarga is replaced by ukara and guna happens Pradayebhyo plus yo. Okay. Is it clear?
Okay. Yeah. Pradayebhyo.
Hmm.
Yo bhungte.
Let me type this. Pradayebhyo.
Yo
plus-
bhungte is
Yeah. They are also same sandhi only. They are also same sandhi.
yaha plus bhungte.
Yaha plus bhungte. Pradayebhyaha plus yo. What will happen? Visarga preceded by a and followed by soft consonant hush. So here it becomes Pradayebhyo yo. Now yo is there. Yo plus next one. Bhungte is there.
Bhungte.
Bhungte. This will become yaha plus bhungte.
Yaha
Yaha plus bhungte. Visarga preceded by a and followed by
Bhungte.
hush. Therefore, yo bhungte. Okay.
akara
Clear.
followed by hush letter. Yo bhungte. Yes.
So now bhungte also, this example I gave, it is bum plus.
Okay.
You see, remember this example I gave, bum plus te will become
Yeah.
Yeah, Bhunte.
It is,
Parasavarna.
Yeah.
Bum
Anuswara Sandhi, Parasavarna Sandhi.
Parasavarna.
plus te and bum plus z of a parasavarna becomes, it is bumte.
Ngakara will come, right, Sharanji?
Yeah. Bumte. Okay.
Yeah.
Next one. Yeah, continue.
Stena eva saha.
Nothing is there.
Nothing is there.
Oh, nothing is there. Is there? Stena eva
Is there?
Visarga.
So Visarga, can we write?
Eva.
Tenaha eva.
Satenaha.
If it is not a stena eva, a plus a will become stena eva. It will become. So stena is not Tritya Vibhakti. Stena means thief. Stenaha saha stenaha eva is thief alone.
Okay.
Stenaha.
Stenaha.
Visarga. What happened to Visarga?
Stenaha eva. What?
Visarga.
That akara is preceded by akara and followed by ach letter.
Yes.
Akara. It is replaced by yakara.
Yes.
And
yakara is Stenaha. Visarga is replaced by yakara and yakara lopaka bhavati. Stena eva saha. Okay. Any difficulty in the splitting the sandhi?
No. The second line, first.
All the rules.
But it needs practice, Sharanji. You have to go through it.
We will do it in the class, maybe for another next 4 5
to
classes.
remember all the rules to bring in a proper way, Sharanji. That is difficult to bring all the rules in a proper way. That's we need to practice more.
Practice, yeah. Abhyasa enedo ante. Okay, then.
And here one word is left. The second line, first word, Tair Dattana. There Visarga Taihi plus Dattan.
Yes.
Plus Aprata.
Yeah, Taihi plus Dattan. Taihi plus Dattan remains
That
as
rape.
Visarga.
No, Repa will come, no. Visarga will become Repa.
Yeah, it's inferred, yeah.
It's inferred, that's why it's not true.
Yeah.
Okay.
That is, Visarga will come. Only if Repa undergoes changes.
Repa will.
Repa itself is therefore Taihi.
Okay.
Okay, we will continue the same Abhyasa. You can please do this exercise from 13th onwards, 13th shloka. Then continue. We will do it. This Sandhi should be clear. After that, we can move to the next Sandhi rules, other topic. Okay. Please do homework. Yeah.
Sharanji, you send one grammatical analysis of Gita. Are you taking once in a month classes, Sharanji?
I do it whenever I have time because I also have to work on that.
Okay.
I do it.
It was so interesting. I listened. So next time, just let me know. I will try to join.
I will post in the group, so who are interested can join. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, Sharanji.
Thank you, Sharanji.
Okay, so we'll stop here.
Yeah.
Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vachishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om.
Dhanyawadaha ji.
Dhanyawadaha ji.
Dhanyawadaha ji.
Dhanyawadaha ji.